Dude, why isn't she texting me? Okay, unless her friends keep, well, chatting up a storm and it just blows my text away. I mean, that's just like. You understand? You are an annoyance to my time, Bird. You cannot chirp while I'm trying to say something very important. Dude, why isn't she texting? Okay, so I've got the answer 2 times in a row. What the heck, Birds? I am trying hard to do my video. And you just chirp. Stop chirping. I said stop chirping. Hey, you understand me? This is not a war. You understand? We have to talk here. You cannot not chirp. Got it? Okay? We're all good? Okay. Good.